Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. For today's video, I'll be making yellowtail snapper, brown stew yellowtail snapper. Okay, if you guys want to see it, stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. Okay, if you're only returning back to my channel, you are awesome. Okay, thank you for being a part of the fluffiness. Guys, don't forget to follow me on my social media, Instagram and Snapchat. And to share my videos, guys. Share all my videos. Watch all my videos and spread the love. Spread the fluffiness. Okay, without further ado, let's get into this video. Alrighty guys, here I am. So right here, I'm using a yellowtail snapper, okay? Let me show you. This thing is so big, I'm not gonna touch it right now. And I'm going with some bell pepper and some onion. I'm using about half of onion and about the same for the bell pepper. And I'm going with my shredded carrots. You can use the whole one, you just cut it up in small pieces. And I'm gonna season it up with some Maggi, some Creole seasoning, and some adobo. Yes, you're gonna also need ketchup. Ketchup goes in everything. And make sure you have some oil, so we're gonna fry this up. I got my oil heating up over here. That's where you hear all that splash. All right, this fish is so big, guys. Look, I got this from Publix. I already rinsed it off. Ooh, yeah, there's still stuff all over the place. So this is it. Yummy in my tummy. Ooh. There you go. I'm gonna cut this in half. Hopefully this knife is sharp enough. When you're cutting it, make sure you go that way. So you can have the head and you can have the tail for later. You zoom up on that. Yeah, this looks good. Let's cut this in half. Alright guys, I'm not using a sharp knife. I got the dullest knife ever, but it works. It did the job. They just want 2 halves. There you go. Alright guys, so after you cut it up, just you know, let's just season it. Make sure you clean your fish, okay? Same way you clean your chicken. Clean your fish the same way. You don't want that fishy scent, okay? So I'm gonna go with my Creole seasoning. For this, you're gonna season both sides. You can't get away with just seasoning one side. You gotta season both. Okay, you want this fish to be well flavorful, well flavored. Just rub it in, press it on. And you gotta season the inside, okay? The inside cavity. Just season that bad boy up. Yes, and rub it in. All right, just flip this over. And just do the same on the other side. Make sure you get the head. Make sure you season that head up real good. Real good. And I'm gonna go with my Maggi. Alright, yes, that looks good. And my adobo. Alright, just pat that on. Yes. This looks so good already, guys. So good. Make sure y'all eat the head now, because the head is the best part. Well, the whole fish is good. There you go, just pat that on. And while you're prepping, make sure you have your stove on. Make sure you have your oil heating up. And you want your oil to be extra hot. Well, not extra hot, but you want your oil to be hot. because you don't want your fish to stick to your pot. Unless you're using one of those fancy pot, then it probably won't stick at all. But if you're using a regular pot, just make sure your oil is hot enough so your fish won't get stick to the bottom. So your fish don't want, what did I say? What are you saying? So your fish don't get stuck to the bottom. And also, don't be playing around with the fish. Once you put in the oil, just let it sit in the oil until it done cook. Okay? About 10 minutes or so on each side. Yeah, don't be playing around with it. That's when it starts to break. That's when it starts to fall apart. You're playing with it and it's not ready to be flipped. So I'm gonna let my oil heat up. You use whatever oil you have, whatever. I'm gonna let my oil heat up. I'm gonna fry the fish. Then I'm gonna add my veggies and stuff in there. Okay, Legos. So come back. All right, guys. So my oil is hot right now. It's on, my temp is on medium high. I'm just using some oil that I had previously, but make sure your oil is hot. If you want to, you can also add garlic in your oil for fry the fish, but I'm not doing that. So here's the fish right here. Yo, that fish y'all look good, you know? Yes, look well seasoned up too. So simple. So I'm gonna just put these in here. Hey, the oil is gonna flash everywhere. It's gonna splatter everywhere. So be careful. I'm gonna let y'all know. Be careful with this one. All right. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna cover that up and let it cook about 10 or so minutes on each side. Then I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna let it finish cooking up when I saute it with my veggies and all that. Yeah, so make it fry up. Watch my hands. Fry up, fry up, fry up. Felt like I haven't made a video in a hot minute, so here I am, a cooking video at least. Here I am. And you can pair this up with some rice, so some white rice, brown rice, rice and peas, gungo peas. You could do boiled dumpling. That's what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna pair it up with some boiled dumpling. You could do fried dumpling. Yeah, you can eat it with bami. You can eat it with festival. The list goes on. But I'm going to pair this up with some boiled dumpling because I'm a brown stew it. So yeah, make that finish cook up and still come back. Alright guys, so I just took out the fish. I got it here resting because we're going to work on our veggies right now. So make sure you pour off the excess oil. Just leave a little bit in there to saute down your veggies. I'm just going to pour this bad boy in. And I'm going with a little bit of carrot. Not too much. Alright, I'm going to just cover this up and let it saute down. Then I'm going with some water and my ketchup, okay? Alright guys, so my veggies been sauteing down. I added a little Creole seasoning on it, just to flavor it up just a little bit. Let's give it some flavor. So I'm gonna go with some water. This is what we're gonna use for our gravy. I'm gonna cut the temp to high, to medium high. You can definitely cut back on all these veggies. You don't have to use this much if you don't want to. You can definitely use less. I'm gonna add about 1.5 cups of water. Then I'm gonna go with my ketchup. Then I'm gonna go with the ketchup. This is gonna thicken the gravy or the sauce, whatever you want to call it. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna just cover this up and bring this to a boil. Then I'm gonna add my fish in there. So I'm gonna bring that to a boil and I'll be right back. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so my pot is boiling up. So I'm gonna go with my fish. I'm gonna go with the fish. So I'm gonna just cover this up. I'm gonna let it cook 10 minutes on one side and then 10 minutes on the other. Cause you want your fish to cook all the way through. Cause that's a pretty big fish. You don't want to eat the raw meat. Okay? So 10 minutes on one side, 10 minutes on the other. I'm gonna put the temp to medium. I'm gonna put it on medium. And yeah. Meanwhile, it's cooking the fish. The gravy's getting thick. It's gonna thicken up the gravy just a little bit, or the sauce, whatever you wanna call it. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna soon come back when it's done. I'm gonna plate it up for Uno. Yeah. All right, guys. So this is the final product. Looks so good. That's the head and that's the tail. Beautiful. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. Yo, this looks so good. I'm gonna plate up some wild dumpling. Yo. Bye.